In this video demonstration, we're going to show you a new product that we just got in. This is called the IQ-7000 auto folding power chair. This is made by ComfyGo. As you can see, you can do all of the folding from this remote. A couple great specs that I'll go over with this unit at first is this has a 350-pound weight capacity. This unit goes 4 miles an hour, has about a 6-degree incline. A couple other features I'll mention here is it's got a 19 wide by 18 deep seat. Now this particular unit here does come in different colors. You have 5 different frame colors to choose from, and then 4 different upgraded seats. You can get a standard black seat, but then you do have an upgraded 4 different upgraded seats that you can put on this unit. This unit in total length is about 40 inches in length and about 26 inches wide, and it's got about a 33-inch turning radius. So what I was really excited about this unit, not only for the fact that you can auto fold this unit, which is a great feature, but this unit can be controlled up to 60 yards away with this remote and up to full speed. So there's many advantages that I'm going to see with this here in the market, but primarily what I was thinking when I originally got this product in, a lot of power chairs these days have attendant controls in the back. Attendant controls are great. You can help navigate your loved ones around, but how great would it be if you could sit here next to your loved one and you could physically walk with them and be in motion? So you could go as fast as you want. You can control the speeds through here. You can control the horn through here, but you could walk side by side with your loved one instead of being behind them. I think that's going to help with have that connected feeling instead of having to feel like they're behind you all the time. Another great thing about this remote is that we found that people with different progressive diseases such as MS or muscle dystrophy, they have a hard time keeping their hand out and controlling the joystick. So what you can do is you can have this remote on your lap or on your chest, and you can drive the chair from here. Once you get good with it, everything you can do on this joystick you can do right through here. Like I said, you can do the horn, up and downs of the speeds, folding of the unit, everything is controlled with this remote. And like I said, it's up to 60 yards away. So if you were taking somebody, mom, and you wanted to help her get across a soccer field, it has a lot of distance. This particular unit does come with 2 motors in the back. These units, these motors are 250 watts each, so you have 500 total watts of power. You have solid tires in the front and the back. They're perforated tires that have the little holes on the side, so it's supposed to give you a little bit smoother of a ride. You can get 2 different battery options with this unit. You can get a travel battery pack that's approved for all airlines. That's going to get you up to about 13 miles on a full charge. Now that's all dependent on the user's weight and the terrain that you're driving on, but 13 miles would be the maximum distance you can get. You can get a bigger upgraded battery pack. It's called a 20 amp hour battery pack. That's going to get you about 17 hours per charge, but that is not airline approved. So if you are traveling and you think you need more than 13 miles, let us know. You can take 2 travel battery packs on an airline with you. So if you wanted to have 2 and swap them out, well then you can have up to 26 miles of total drive distance. Another couple great features that I saw with this chair when one of the owners of ComfyGo came here to show us this, he said, really you can use this chair as a power chair, but honestly if you were to put this chair in neutral, by doing that, you have 2 red levers in the back. If you disengage those levers, well now your chair's going to start flashing. A lot of power chairs start to beep. This will not beep, but your joystick indicator will start to flash. So now if your joystick is on, and you can now push your chair and use it as a walker. When your chair is on and your chair is in neutral, you will have resistance on the motors. So you do have to push some, and it's almost like a workout moving this chair. But for rehab facilities, things like that, where they want them to walk, but they want to make sure they're not going to fall, this is a great alternative. If you do turn the power off and you have the chair in neutral, well now you have no resistance in the motors, and you can see how easily that you can push this chair. So it's just a couple other great things that you can utilize this chair for. Hey, I want my grandma, my grandpa, mom and dad, I want them to still walk some. When they get tired, I want them to be able to use the chair. Well, this is an option. It's nice, sturdy, it's comfortable, they can hang on to it, and they can use this as a walker. Remember to always put your chair back in gear. If your chair is not in gear, your chair will not operate. So I'll show you a view from the back side so that you can see the motors a little more clear. You have the 2 red levers back here in the back. Back here you do have tip wheels in the back as well. These armrests on this power chair, they are able to flip up. You have a little silver tab on each side, or a gray tab, and then you can flip them up. They're not completely flush out of the way, but they do flip up to help. These are nice sturdy arms, so you're able to push off this with no problem. Your joystick currently is on the right hand side, but it can be mounted on either side, right or left. The unit does come, when you buy the chair, standard with an arm bag, as you can see that right here. This arm bag right here is going to be standard. I'm pretty sure they're matching this to the frame, so they would call that kind of their bronze bag. That's their bronze frame. Like I said, this is the bronze frame with the red stitching, with the red cover with the black stitching on it. They're really sharp looking. These types of covers are wipeable, so you can wipe these off. The other, if you get the standard cushion, that's the non-upgraded cushion, it's more mesh, so you won't be able to wipe that. When you get the upgraded cushion, you also get this too. This strap is kind of a strap that's going to hold you your calves, a little bit of a calf support. If you just get the standard black cushion, it does not come with that at all. So once again, this is the MAJESTIC 7000 IQ auto fold. They do have about 4 or 5 different models, some auto fold, some manual fold. So we'll do demonstrations on all of them, but this is the auto folding MAJESTIC IQ 7000. And I want to show you a couple accessories that you can get with this chair too. You're going to take this and you're going to plug this right into the front of the joystick. Once that is in the joystick, you have a little button here and you have a headlight. Now that light is adjustable up and down, so if you just want to be seen a little bit at night, it's kind of like holding a flashlight. Same type of thing, or you can angle it down if you're inside your home and you have a built-in USB port. They have many accessories, but they have a cell phone, which is pretty nice. It's just a big clip. It's a cell phone holder. You can mount that on the side of your arm, expand it out, hold your cell phone in. So check out the accessories that they offer as well, but I think this is going to be one a lot of people are going to want. This little headlight that's got a little toggle button on here in the front. I'll recap this chair one more time. So this is the MAJESTIC 7000 IQ Auto Fold. It's a 350-pound weight capacity, up to 17 miles with the full battery pack, or 13 miles with the travel battery pack. It's 40 inches in length. It's 26 inches wide. When the unit is folded up, it's 67 pounds with the travel battery pack, or it's 70 pounds with the full battery pack. Now your folded up dimensions are 30 inches by 26 inches by 17 inches. So if you're looking to fit that in a type of vehicle, that should go in most all vehicles, but 30 by 26 by 17 is the folded down dimensions. 4 miles an hour. Just a really fantastic. This unit does come standard with a seat belt also, and then you can charge this directly through the joystick. If you do want to take your battery out and charge it separate and leave this unit in your vehicle, you can. It's a little bit different. You cannot fold the unit without the battery in it, but you also cannot take the battery out once it's folded. So what you have to do is you have to take the battery out, set it on the ground, and then fold the unit. So I'll show you that here. So what you would do is you would take your battery pack out, slide it out, put your battery pack back here on the ground like this, and then fold your unit. So you'll see, you just want to make sure your battery stays out of the way, which it should right in that distance. We'll see. Now once you're all the way folded to the ground, all you have to do is twist your knob. It's a little like ring on here. Once your ring is loose, you can disconnect that. Here's your battery pack. Underneath your battery pack, you're going to have a little black tab. You can push out of the way, and your 3-prong charger would plug right in there. This weighs about 3 pounds, 4 pounds. So you can take this inside, leave this in your vehicle, and just charge this and go put it back in. Just remember, you have to do the same thing when you want to unfold it. Put this on the ground. Make sure that you connect this back tightly. You got to turn your power chair back on. You cannot turn the power chair on from the remote. You do have to turn it on from the joystick, and then this will work. So once I've done that, then I can unfold the unit, and then I should be able to slide the battery pack back inside the power chair. Not that easy to do, but underneath the chair there is a little plastic slot that the battery has to slide onto. I got all the way down on the ground so I could visually see it because I was kind of fumbling around, so I do want to let you know sometimes it is hard to align this battery, but once you kind of get it aligned, it will slide right in. You'll pull the handle till it snaps and you can't pull it back, and then you're ready to go. Like I said, fantastic unit. We're going to go drive it outside and you can watch what this thing can do.
Hey guys, Jay with Comfy Go Mobility again, partnering with Marc's Mobility. I'm out here in Lakeland, Florida with our IQ-7000 Auto Fold chair. Probably one of the best travel chairs you will ever get if you're traveling the world, traveling domestically, or just heading down the road to Disney World. You're going to want this chair. It folds automatically. You don't have to lift and fold. I can do it remotely through here, and it drives remotely if need be. So come see Marc's Mobility. Give them a shout. Grab this chair as soon as you can. Thank you.
This is the IQ-7000 Majestic by ComfyGo. As you can see, I'm controlling all of this through a wireless remote in my hand. It has a 33-inch turning radius. Comes with a standard with a 19 by 18-inch seat on this unit. It comes in 5 different colors from the frame. The seat has 4 different upgraded premium colors. What makes this unit great, it's got a 350-pound capacity, up to 13 miles on a full charge with an airline-approved battery pack. It's just a 6-degree incline, but having this, people having muscle dystrophy or having other type of progressive diseases that can hold this remote in their hand and be able to drive the chair is going to be really a game changer. So have a child or somebody, or somebody that's not able to operate the chair, you can operate this chair for them directly through this remote. So like I said, this is not your all-terrain type power chair. It's not going to be one you're going to be taking in really thick grass. Like here we have Bahia grass out here and it's kind of thick, so you want to make sure you're not going to go somewhere that's too soft of ground. But overall, if you're driving in straight distances, soccer fields, things like that, that's not going to be a problem at all for you. There's nothing else like this on the market. So if you guys are interested in something that auto folds, can control with the remote, ComfyGo's come out with about 4 or 5 different products that are really game changers on the market. So if you have any questions or any concerns, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.